Check out this arched trellis, guys. You know, these cattle panels are just awesome for arched entryway trellises. I've got trombone squash coming. Morning glories give it the great color. And I got green beans throughout. Plenty of green beans to pick. Oh, there's a morning glory. Whoa. Beautiful, beautiful. And I've got large trombone squash further down. There's a nice size one. That's small though compared to this one over here, which is about 2 feet. See it right there? If I can get a hand on that. To give you a, it's big. Nice and big and meaty. And these trombone squash are wonderful eating. Wonderful to cook up. Kind of just like zucchini, but a little different. But this is just a great combination, I think, with the trombone squash. Two plants on each side, green beans, and a splash of morning glory up there. Isn't that beautiful? Here's the trombone squash from the other side. See if I can move this leaf so you can get a better vantage. And you don't need to tie these up. Their tendrils just do all the work. Now if you can see this, these two trombone squash right here are on one vine. I've never seen them growing so close together before like this, but you know, it is what it is. Cool. And it starts, the vine starts down here in this bed back behind, and it travels right up here. It's already produced a squash further down that I harvested, and then the head of it is right there. So it is already making its way down the other side, and it's the middle of August, so it's been in the ground a couple months. And the one on the other side, he's down further even yet. Look at this guy right here. See him? There he is. See him? He's from the other side, so he's making his way. He's making his way down. Love this arch. I love growing trombone squash on it. It's awesome. Sam? Elliot? You want to come in the garden? No? All right then.